It doesn't matter how much experience you have, objects in front of your boat affect everybody. What I love about Lookout is it is the perfect boating companion. From hazard detection to docking assistance to night vision and so much more. It's a crew member who's always on watch, always paying attention, and just gives you another set of eyes. My name is Captain Paul Sullivan. I've been in the marine industry for just about 18 years. When I'm out in the water, what's top of mind, it's safety. As the skipper, the master of the vessel, your responsibility is the safety of your passengers and the vessel. Boaters face a number of different hazards. People in kayaks, stand-up paddleboards, floating debris, buoys, boating at night. There's always something. And having Lookout installed on the boat is a game changer. It's not about replacing anything, it just gives you another set of eyes. It's always on watch and it makes the whole experience more relaxed for everyone. For me, it's about getting everyone home safely. Lookout helps me make better decisions. It gives me better awareness. It makes boating more enjoyable and more relaxed. And that's what good technology should do. Give you confidence without getting in the way.